Okay guys, I'm getting ready to pour stuff now. Doing the last mixing. It's been a few minutes since this was mixed. Supposed to have 45 minutes working time. It's been nowhere near that. Probably about 6 or 7 since I actually mixed it together. So here we go. Now, according to the rice, I'm supposed to have had a little bit too much. But I don't know. It's looking close. Of course, I can lean this back just a little bit if I have to. I filled this with rice and it said it took 16 ounces. It's slightly over 16. And when I mixed this, it was slightly over 2, but it looks like it is going to be a little bit short, but I'm not going to mix any more. I'll tilt the box back some and that should give it all the coverage it needs on this top part right here. You may find I have enough anyway, but I don't think so. I think I could have used a couple more ounces. It is going to cover it, but it's not as deep as I wanted it. do it's not quite up to the line. You can see the little blue line I drew back there. So it's probably got close to a 1/4 inch coverage. But when I'm going to tilt this back just a little bit when I let some of this come off of here. That's good. Hopefully all that'll peel right out of there once that dries in that container. Okay, so what I want to do is tilt this back a little bit. I'm going to take and put it right up against here. And then just set these under the front of it. But first, actually, what I'm going to do is tilt it back this way. I want to do this simply because if there is a air bubble, I don't think there is, but if there's an air bubble in that cavity inside the middle of it, it needs to come out. It should be good. Now I've got to take and set this up. And let it set for 6 hours. So I'll be back and we'll take it out of the box and see how it looks. Hopefully did alright, but I had extra silicone. I mean, I thought about going up to about the 18 to 20 mark. It was up to about here, which the rice came to right at the 16, and I went just a little above it to about right here with the parts, because I used one part about halfway up to 8, and the second part was up to the top of the 16 there. And I guess I should have probably went all the way up to 20, and that would have been enough. And I had it, but I was thinking, well, what I save, I'll be able to maybe do a upper one, which shouldn't need a 2-piece mold. It should be able to be glued down to a plate, maybe even this one, and then a box built around it, and it just poured. Then when it's done, flip the mold over and fill it full of the resin that you're going to use, whatever it is, up to level of it, and let it set till it dries, and then pop right out, because since its base isn't formed in any way, I think just a 1-piece will be fine for that. So I was hoping I was going to have enough to finish this one, and what was be left over be enough to do one of the center ones, but I don't know, we'll see. Or the upper ones, I mean, I'm sorry. But oh well. Still, this is going to work, it looks like.